watch out for the onions! We failed again.
Let's take them on ourselves next time. Let's show them the mighty black tyke.
Okay. Today we are going to learn the basics of cooking. Let's learn how to chop and slice things.
Yes!
Piece of cake.
Easy.
Ah, so easy.
What's wrong, Musby?
The onions are stinging my eyes!
Oh, no.
Onions are making him cry?
Are you okay?
Come here,
I am a horseradish. I will not cry. Stinging my eyes.
It's so fun!
Ketchabi! What are you doing with that onion? I told you not to play with cooking ingredients, didn't I?
The spicy onions are making the sauces cry. Maybe this could be a great idea. Now, all we need to do is put these super spicy onions into... Wow! It's dark onion juice. This is going to make everyone cry.
Huh? What is this smell? What?
Ketchup-y! Wake up!
Coming. Why are we here so early? Ah!
Oh, no.
Your faces look...
Our faces aren't the real problem.
What?
Our village is in danger. It stings. It stings so bad.
Oh, it's even making me, a horseradish, cry.
What is happening? Look! Over there! Who is that?
You want to know who I am? I am the master of darkness, Black Tyke. Black Tyke? Such a healthy village. I am going to ruin you all.
Ah!
Poison!
Yikes!
Guys! This dark energy! I think he is the one behind all the strange things that have happened to our village. You're all so weak. Just sit there and watch this.
My eyes! It stings!
Our village is over.
We can't let that happen. Oh, a card?
Now that we know you have magical powers, these remaining recipe cards will help us restore peace in Sauceria. With your powers, you can do it.
Thank you, Master Sauce.
We won't give up. We don't know who you are, but we won't let your dark power take over us. Guys!
Is it our turn now?
We will make you cry too.
We're coming for you.
Bam!
Good! Let's go! Cha! Ha! Sparkle, sparkle, twinkle, twinkle, change! Kitchen tongues, cha-cha!
What?
Stop bullying Sauceria!
Yeah!
You can try. Ha! Where are they?
Looking for me? Don't you need this?
Huh? It stings! It stings! You're not gonna get away with this! freshly fresh onion.
Wow! Who do you think Black Tyke is?
We might see Black Tyke again.
What's this?
Today, we're going to cook with the onions you chopped yesterday.
Onions again?
Not again.
Come on. You should treat every cooking ingredient with care. Okay, let's start cooking.
Ugh.